Cai Phonk, Subzero chaos.
Feel the ground shake it.
Bass too heavy, 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 heavy,
Bass too heavy. Late night riding through the neon rain, heavy bass flowing through my veins. Street lights flashing on the chrome, every road starts feeling like home. Cold wind cutting through the ride, dark shadows moving side to side. Every drop hits deep and slow, pulling me somewhere below. No more silence in my head, only low frequencies instead. Every hit shakes the whole damn block, like the bass never wants to stop.
Feel the pressure in my chest, no control, no time to rest. Heartbeat sinking with the kick, every hit feels too addictive. No escape when the low gets deep, this sound follows in my sleep. One more drop and I'll let go, falling deeper in the undertow.
Subzero chaos.
Feel the vibration.
Subzero chaos.
Heavy bass invasion.
Subzero chaos through the neon lights. Subzero chaos keeps me alive tonight.
Dark rose glowing purple blue, every sound cuts right through. Every loop stays in my brain like pleasure mixed with pain. No sleep when the vibe feels right, lost inside the flashing lights. Every wave pulls me deep in the sound, I never sleep. Windows down where the bassline rolls, heavy pressure taking hold. Every hit keeps dragging me right where I'm supposed to be.
Now the speakers overload, feel the fire through the road. Every hit shakes my chest, never letting me rest. I don't fight it anymore, this is what I'm living for. One more drop before daylight, keep me trapped inside the night. Subzero chaos.
I lose control,
Subzero chaos.
heavy bass in my soul.
Subzero chaos.
Feel the speakers blow,
Subzero chaos.
let the low explode. Blow, 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 blow.
Again and again, the bass pulls me in. Again and again, I replay it again.
Low vibes, late nights, heavy sound, neon lights.
Subzero chaos.
Turn the speakers louder,
Subzero chaos.
feel it through the crowd now.
Subzero chaos.
Heavy waves all night,
Subzero chaos.
only bass feels right.
Still hearing the low. Still trapped in the sound. Still replaying the night.
Cai Phonk.